In the heart of La Paz, Agusan del Sur, a timeless heritage lives on through pamahandi. Developed by the Tribal Women's Weavers Handicraft and Suyam Association Incorporated, pamahandi transforms the traditional art of suyam embroidery into meaningful souvenirs that celebrate the identity, artistry, and living heritage of the Agusan Manobo. Inspired by rivers, mountains, and the natural world, each suyam motif reflects the Manobo people's deep connection with their ancestral homeland. Guided by the wisdom of their abyan or their spirit guide, every design is envisioned before it is carefully brought to life. Behind every creation are the skilled hands of the manunuyang, patiently stitches each motif entirely by hand, thread by thread, following techniques passed down through generations. No patterns are traced, and no two creations are ever the same. From dresses, bags, and accessories, each pamahandi piece is carefully presented in a locally woven bayong box, carrying with it the story of the Agusan Manobo. Through regional and the national trade fairs, tourism expositions, and cultural showcases, pamahandi continues to share the story of Agusan del Sur with the nation. Baay Pamahandi, Miss Jerlyn H. Kugit, believes that every embroidery carries the legacy of their ancestors and the hopes of future generations. Because pamahandi is more than a souvenir. It is the living thread of the Agusan Manobo, a heritage preserved and a tradition carried forward.
So kaya nga yung pamahandi ang ginagawa namin parang pangwarta na sa amin. Noon, hindi sila makabili ng mga papel niya, things nila sa school. Itong suyam na ito na ginagawa namin is makatulong na sa amin. Malaki na ang kikitain nila dahil sa pagsuyam.